Alright, what's up guys? We are back with another video. Today we'll be going over Sunday's trade that we took on the NASDAQ, the micro E-mini NASDAQ, and that we took during the Asian session. So to go over this trade, we'll start off right here at Asian Open. As we can see here, price was just chopping. Price just chopped pretty much here. So we were looking for a manipulation move, which we didn't quite get. We were still just chopping. And then right here, this is the manipulation move that we get. Initially, it was tapping into a 5-minute, 15-minute, no 15-minute, but let's see. I do think we tapped into, yeah, we had just inversed that 1 hour as well. So overall, it was looking bullish, but I did at least want to take, if it presented itself, I wanted to take a short. To rebalance this range, right? And also, I didn't also like longs just because we had accumulated, and then we, the AMD model is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So when we had an accumulation and then a manipulation up, it kind of seemed like we wanted to go lower. So even though our bias was overall lower, just because before this fair value gap got inversed, it was lower. Just because we were still, on the downtrend. So, but yeah, I was looking for really both. I was open to both, and either ways, we did risk. We de-risked pretty heavily on this trade. Because in past weeks, we had went higher risk on the initial trades in the beginning of the week, and then that kind of sets up the rest of the week for failure, because now we're trying to dig ourselves out of drawdown again and restart. But so we de-risked and we actually won these trades. So I'll go over this again. We got to push up higher, and then this trade was on the 5-minute. Yep. So you got to push up here, and then just an immediate. We get this V-shaped reversal over here, and get this inverse out of there. This is pretty much what you want to see. The only thing I could say is that we wasn't really delivering from anything, but we had already swept out this liquidity that we had up here. So at least I feel like the normal balance out range was going to be down to here, maybe even down to this swing low, and maybe even back to this, which was probably some type of fair value gap of 15. Yeah, so retracement to a 15. This was initially what I wanted to do. We see once we get that inverse, I believe we get it on the 1 minute, but 1 minute is playing into the 2 minute, 2 minutes playing into the 3 minute, and 3 minute into the 5 minute. So the 5 minute was the highest time frame fair value gap, and the highest inverse. So once we get this inverse, we put a market order, and then we also get some entries in the next candle. Let's see. Now that we had a fair value gap here, this was pretty good. It set my conviction up for the trade. Set a fair value gap there. We'd like to see that. So we also entered in a few more orders here on the wall charge accounts as well. And we pretty much just dance around there, and then we finally get breakthrough. Now I do believe we took profits right around here, and that was just because I believe I was going to the gym at this time, and also I was trailing my stop, and I kept my take profit right here, even though initially I wanted to put 2 take profits. One take profit right there at that swing low, and then another one at this one, but it played out this way. As you can see, didn't get a retest up. And then that's when we get that drop lower. But this I probably got stopped out here. So I'm pretty decent that I got out here. But that is pretty much it for this video. I'll show you the P&L. So this is the activated account that we still, the past account we still need to activate. And then these are 2 well charge accounts. We're green on both of them. We're back out of drawdown, and we got $2,000 to drawdown on this one and $900 on that one. So not too bad. And then on the trade accounts, which we have 4, we're about 1% in drawdown on 2 of the accounts, and we're about 2% in profit on another PA account. And on the Lucid trading account, we are up about 3%. We still need about another 3% to go for that Lucid account, and we should be able to pass. So overall, we'll see if we do take a trade tomorrow or the next day because of President's Day. So if we do decide to take a trade, or if we do see a setup, I will post a trade recap. But I do appreciate you guys for watching. Here's the execution market orders right here, as you can see. And I believe, like I said, we got out like right here. Yep, we got out right there for 123.4. Pretty long trade overall, also. That's something sad. Almost like an hour. But, yep. I do appreciate you guys for watching. And see ya.